crisp in a pinch. I've got a mixture of blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. I also added sugar to the berries. And then I'm gonna squeeze in lemon juice just to give it some liquid. Did that get you in the eyes too? And then I've got the zest from the lemon. All right, now I'm gonna stir this around and let the berries start to cook. That sugar's gonna dissolve and it's gonna become just a really bubbly, yummy fruit mixture. So while that happens, I'm gonna move forward with the crisp. I'm gonna toast some oats along with some sliced almonds. So that's probably gonna take me about 3 minutes. I'm gonna stir it constantly so the oats and the almonds don't burn. So I got kind of that little toasty flavor going on these oats and almonds. So I'm gonna take them out of the pan and those are ready. So I'm gonna make a little bit of a syrup, starting with some butter and about 4 tablespoons of maple syrup, a little bit of brown sugar. Ooh, do you smell that maple syrup yet? Oh, it smells so good. And then a little bit of cinnamon. So you see where I'm going with this, guys? I'm making sort of a deconstructed fruit crisp is what I'm doing if I play my cards right. Okay, so let's check out the berries. That sugary mixture is nice and sticky, but it's not thick. So I've got some water and I'm adding some cornstarch. And I'm gonna mix this together. And this is called a cornstarch slurry, which is a little bit of a thin paste that you add to mixtures on the stovetop to get them to thicken. The slurry goes into the fruit, and then I'm gonna turn up the heat, give it a stir, and the bubbles are what sort of activate the cornstarch. So while that thickens, look at this.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
kind of a little sticky syrup. So now the oats are gonna go back in. All right, I'm gonna turn the stove off and then toss the oats in that syrupy mixture. Okay, so I'm gonna check on the berries. How do these look? Woo! They're very, very thick, as if they've been baking in the oven.
Very,
See how that
very
happens? Okay, I'm gonna grab the ice cream. Okay, I've got some vanilla ice cream. I'm gonna show you how this whole thing makes sense. So I'll start with some berries. Okay, then the delicious crisp mixture that has been quote unquote baking. Vanilla ice cream. Oh my gosh, look at that. And then just for good measure, you can sort of layer things up a little bit, just so people know there's fruit going on. And then a few more oats. Crisp in a pinch. I really wish I'd known about this when Lad and I first got married. It would have saved me 25 years of baking crisps in the oven. It's never too late to start fresh, though.